Have you ever wondered what makes Tastykake such a beloved snack among Philadelphians? Today, we're diving deep into the sweet history and lasting impact of this iconic brand. Tastykake is a line of snack foods manufactured by Tasty Baking Company, headquartered in the Philadelphia Navy Yard. Since its inception over 100 years ago, it has become an integral part of local culture. Originally based in Easttown, Tioga area, Tastykake's products have remained a staple for generations. Their commitment to quality and taste has kept them beloved even as society changes. Tastykake treats, like the chocolate crumb donut or the jamboree, have been a source of nostalgia for many who grew up in the Philadelphia region and continue to enjoy them. Despite facing challenges over the years, Tastykake has adapted, maintaining its popularity through innovative flavors and packaging that appeal to both old fans and new ones. The brand's longevity is a testament to its ability to connect with consumers on an emotional level, providing not just snacks but memories that keep people coming back. Today, Tastykake continues its legacy as a beloved snack in Philadelphia and beyond. From the Navy Yard to national recognition, it remains an iconic symbol of sweet Philly culture. So there you have it. Tastykake isn't just a snack, it's a piece of Philadelphia's cultural fabric. What are your favorite memories or flavors? Share in the comments.